was just a sample of the spray coming out of the high pressure aero kit that comes with a TreeFrog by Multiponics. Now the setup that you're looking at today, you can reproduce this in your own house for $9.99, and that's going to include the entire TreeFrog setup. You've got your tray and the lid, which is 1/4 inch ABS, guaranteed to last for a lifetime. The stand, high quality aluminum stand with adjustable feet, so that you can dial in the exact drainage characteristics that you want. If you want a little bit slower, you can lower the back feet. A little bit faster draining, you raise the back feet. And the high pressure aero kit, which includes a pump that's capable of about 75 to 90 psi. It's going to come with 10 sprayer heads. It's going to come with 20 feet of tubing, and it's also going to come with all of the food grade USDA and FDA approved quick connect fittings that connect that food grade tubing. So when you're doing maintenance on your system, you're able to quickly and easily change out sprayer heads or disconnect and reconnect fittings whenever the need arises. So for $9.99, you're able to get a system that's able to produce roots like these that are bright white, healthy, beautiful roots. And depending on what kind of timer you hook this up with, you can either run as much as 24 hours on, or you can shut it down and run sub 1 second cycles. If you want to get into all that, it may require a little bit of additional equipment in the form of cycle timers. But for right now, we're able to do this with a real low budget cycle timer that just provides beautiful results. And we've really noticed the benefit on the aero system in the sense that we're able to run about 12.5% of the recommended nutrient level based on the manufacturer's recommendations. So you drop your pests down, and you also drop your nutrient usage down, and at $9.99 you're dropping your price down. You can't even compare that to a Aeroflow, any of these other systems that are in the $1,200 to $1,400 range, and they're not providing this that looks like this that we're seeing right now. You're getting just a spray, and it's basically like, you know, a garden hose spraying on your roots, where we've got the 50 to 80 micron mist. You can even tie that in with an ultrasonic fogger package if you choose, but just straight out of the box, $9.99, you're able to do high pressure aero with the best system on the market.